Hello everybody, I am Sarah Banks from Banks' Business Solutions, and today I want to talk about sustainable businesses when you work from home. Now, I'm going to be really honest. It's really hard to run a sustainable business from home because lots of the things that we're asked to do to show that we're being sustainable are difficult to measure. Things like how much energy we use, how much water we use, because it's all combined within our family usage as well. But as I've been exploring this for my business and thinking about what I do, there's a few things that I've identified that I want to share with you that lots of us that work from home are already doing. So the first one is the biggie, working from home. So because we're working from home, we're avoiding commutes and travel for meetings, so we're already automatically reducing our carbon footprint without really doing a huge amount different. The next thing is transportation. So things that we can do to help with that are using local couriers, opting for group deliveries if we're selling products. If we're doing meetups, could we walk or cycle or use public transport? Or could we just have online meetings? Do we need to always meet in person? And I'm a huge advocate for meeting in person because I think it's really important for our emotional and mental well-being as well. But sometimes there are meetings that actually could just be done online as well. So then the next thing is our community impact. Now, community is really, really important, and it's also part of sustainability. We often only ever think about our carbon footprint, but actually how we work with our community and develop and support our community is equally as important when you look at the UN sustainability goals. So if we decide to go co-working, we could go to an independent cafe and support those. If we're meeting with a prospective client or a customer or having a networking chat, we could go to a local cafe, because that's then helping other local businesses to thrive and building our community impact. Technology is another area that we can look at. Now, we all need hardware of different types to run our businesses, and there's a time for new and there's a time for refurbished. And actually, if we look at the types of hardware that we're using, whether a refurbished option would be better, therefore lowering our carbon footprint in some ways, or actually purchasing something new that's more energy efficient and therefore can lower our electric usage. Those are things that we can do. And then my final tip is to make more mindful purchases. So when you are investing in things for your business, look at long-lasting supplies. Avoid things that you have to frequently replace and that can be more wasteful. Think about your suppliers' sustainability practices and try to source from companies that align with your values, because there's a ripple effect there of things growing, and it helps to strengthen the whole sustainable small business movement. Now, all these things might seem quite small and they might not seem to tick the boxes that we see big corporations ticking, but these actions will build up over time and they can all help you to grow your business and grow your sustainability within your business. And the reason that I'm doing this today is because I want to be honest and say I don't have it perfect. I can't measure it all. There's lots of things that I know I need to do, but I want to share with you where I'm at on my journey and how I'm going forward, in the hope that this makes an impact and will encourage you to do something similar. So I'd love to know in the comments where you are on your sustainability journey, if any of this has resonated, and as always, be happy to have a chat virtually, because we're trying to reduce our carbon footprints a little bit, about how you're doing that as well. So let me know in the comments how things are working for you, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye for now.